Hello student, you were saying that how the people of a village were going into the village fair, by wearing occasional dresses and new dresses. And actually the child about whom we are reading this story, actually his parents is calling him, they are calling him, come child come, called his parents, as he lagged behind, fascinated by the toys and the shops that lined the way. Actually the word lagged means he left behind. And why the child actually left behind? Because he was fascinated by what? Fascinated by actually toys in the shop, and that were actually lined on the way to the fair. So this is a child's tendency actually to get fascinated by toys, or by things which are for childish things. So he was also fascinated, and he was actually left behind. So his parents is actually calling him to come along with them. Then he hurried towards his parents, his feet obedient to their call, his eyes still lingering on the receding toys. The student responded to his parents' call, but he was actually still looking at the toys, which is now fading from his sight, because he is moving ahead with his parents. Now as he came to where they had stopped to wait for him, he could not suppress the desire of his heart, even though he well knew the old cold stare of refusal in their eyes. Actually, but as soon as the child came to a shop where he actually stopped, and he actually at one shop, the child could not suppress his desire. What does this mean? Suppress his desire. He could not control his desire. अभी वो अपनी इच्छा को दबा नहीं सका. And though he knew that his father would refuse, his father actually would refuse and would give him the usual stare. वो जो normally father लोग जैसे घूरते हैं, his fathers will also give him a cold and old, means usual, that the child was very used to of. His parents, his father would again give him the usual stare of refusal to him, but still he expressed his heart desire to buy something from the shop. Where was the shop? And he actually asked his parents to buy him actually that toy. He actually indicated a toy here. Look at the picture. He indicated some toy from the shop, and he actually asked his parents to buy him that toy. He actually pleaded. The word plead means make a deep request to someone. Now let's move into the next page, students. Let's see what happens here. His father looked at him red-eyed in his familiar tyrant's way. His mother, melted by the free spirit of the day, was tender, and giving him her finger to hold, said, "Look, child, what is before you?" Now actually what happens, as the child already knew that his father would never buy him the toy, so his father actually looked at him red-eyed. The word red-eye suggests angrily. His father actually looked at him angrily. He didn't want to buy him because they cannot afford all the desires. They cannot fulfill all the desire of a child, because in village, the budget of village people are generally, these people especially, they were farmers, they were not so rich, they cannot buy all the things that the boy was actually desiring. So seeing that his son has got has gotten sad. Her mother's heart, all very much used to of mother's heart. She melted means, she got a bit emotional, and that is why. And why she got emotional? Because on that day it was a pleasant day for all of them. It was a joyful occasion. So for the spirit of the day, actually, her mother actually melted, and the word tender means actually gentle, and she gently gave her finger to her son to hold that, and then actually she asked him to look in front, and to look in front. The student before actually means in front. So actually her mother instructed him to look in front and to see what's there ahead. It was flowering mustard field, pale like melting gold, as it swept across miles and miles of even land. Actually, in this sentence, students, the description of the place has been given. All around there were mustard field, as you generally know. It is found in in village areas. There are mostly mustard fields, and of pale color, slight yellowish color, of light yellowish color. There are in miles and miles around the area there were only mustard fields. Now a group of dragonflies were bustling about on their gaudy purple wings. The word gaudy here actually student mean new, and their gaudy purple wings means their newly grown purple colored wings, intercepting the flight of a lone black bee or butterfly in search of sweetness from the flowers. The child followed them in the air with his gaze till one of them would still its wings and rest, and he would try to catch it, but it would go fluttering, flapping up into the air when he had almost caught it in his hands. Then his mother gave a cautionary call, "Come, child, come on to the footpath." Again, you were saying that the child is again actually has been misguided, has been attracted. He is actually distracted by the beauty, by the sight of these beautiful things on the way, and again his mother has to call him up to come along with him. Actually, right now actually he was engaged in catching a butterfly who had just grown purple colored wings, and they were actually taking the sweetness of the flowers, and they were actually flying in the air, and the child is actually gazing at them. Gazing means looking at them. Sometimes it fly by flapping its wings, and sometimes it keeps its wings in rest position, and then also it can fly actually by sliding into the air. Now we will see in next paragraph. He ran towards his parents' galley and walked abreast of them for a while. Actually, student, the word galley means happily and cheerfully. Look at here, concentrate here. Happily and cheerfully, while abreast means moving side by side with someone. किसी के साथ चलना, कंधे से by shoulder or by any beam. Being, however, soon left behind, attracted by the little insects and worms along the footpath that were teeming out from their hiding place to enjoy the sunshine. But again, child was distracted on the way, and he again left behind. This is the child's habit, and this sort of child are generally get lost, who has the habit of getting lost in these sort of situations actually.